My name is Marilie. Before to start, let me ask you a question. Are you ready to taste the sauce I prepared today? Yes. Thank you. Today, I want to talk about my whole cooking activity project. My presentation turned around two parts. Firstly, I will explain you what I did at marketplace, and secondly, I will explain you my role in the kitchen. So let's start. Firstly, at the market, I went to market in order to help my team to buy some groceries. Especially at the market, I bought some lemon, and we used those lemon to clean up our chicken. In the kitchen, especially, I cut the vegetable, legumes, and I also prepare the onion sauce. The onion sauce will be served with the red sauce. Can I continue? Yes. After cutting the vegetable, I also wash the dishes in order to keep clean our kitchen. So this is what I did today this activity. Thank you. I will give the floor to Kevin.